In this video, we try to make a very simple controller for your phone. Caution: the case only works for iPhones. The Android system cannot recognize two separate Joy-Cons as one at the moment. Hope this can be fixed in the future. We need the following items: Joy-Con, Joy-Con Comfort Grip or the Joy-Con Grip. Take the rail and screw it out from the Joy-Con grip. Megsafe magnet, phone case with a magnet. You don't need a case if your phone has Megsafe or Qi 2 by itself. A box, a bit larger than your phone. You can find the case in the dollar shop. The case should not just fit your phone and case. Leave some room for easy push out, and more important, the flat surface that is wide enough for the rail screw hole. The rail is 9 cm long. And 2 rail holes require at least 7.2 cm. This green box has proven that small radius corner is a better fit for the phone and rail. Next, screw the rail to the case. The rail should be the same height as your case. Your finger will be blocked by the case if the height is not enough. If you have a soldering iron, you can make a hot push just like threaded inserts. Take extra care on the screw tip, it hurts. My solution is 3 layers of plastic. Place the magnetic ring in the center of the case. Technically, it's done, but we can make some additional modifications to make it better. First thing is to drill a hole so that you can push your phone out. Another thing is, if the Joy-Con is wobbling, you can fold some thick paper and slide it on top. That's it. I tried to make a Lego case, something like this. It turns out that the screen and controller are not on the same level. It feels weird and is not recommended to proceed this way.